You are on. We are starting over, number 10. Make sure I don't have Oreo cookies on my face. Although if I did, I could eat them out of my chin hairs and stuff. Oreos. All right. Number 10. Where the hell's the other marker? Okay, continuing on, we are now at number 10 where they are adding water to a tank. And for some reason, don't know how much they added on the first day, but after the first day, for 32 more days, they added 3 gallons per day and ended up with 101 gallons. I'm going to change the numbers a little bit because I want you to be able to work this out on your own. The answer that they want is one of your listed answers. Anyway, I'm going to say on March 1st, we add, I'm just going to give it an amount, I'll call it A gallons is put into the tank, right? So we're going to start off with A gallons, and for 32 more days, I'm going to change this, I'm going to make it for 29 more days. Four gallons per day is added. And then we're just going to write out a list of stuff here and see what we have. I'm going to say at the end we have 130 gallons. So the same basic question they give you, it's just I gave us different numbers. First day, we put in this many gallons. If we add up all the gallons of water, then we're adding 4 gallons on day 2. So after the second day, we'd have A plus 4 gallons. Third day, A plus 4 plus 4. They just keep adding a bunch of 4s. I'm not going to write down 29 4s. I'm going to give it a dot, dot, dot. And put a plus 4 again for that end. If we added all these together, we would have 130 gallons by the numbers I gave here. All right. What we've done, I gave us 29 consecutive days where we added 4 gallons of water. So that's 29 times. And then we get that little debate in math circles and annoys some parents that, oh, 4 times 29 and 29 times 4, the kid does it, and you've probably all seen the memes online and stuff about new math and Common Core and all that, but technically, I wrote 4 29 times. I did something 29 times, I wrote 4. Probably ought to be that, but I could argue it's 4 times 29. You have a community property of multiplication. Who really cares? 4 times 29, 29 times 4, that's what that is. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 29 times. 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29, same thing. Doesn't really matter. I've added A gallons and 29 times 4 gallons to arrive at 130. That's the math on this. It's fairly simple, straightforward math. This is 116. So if I solve this, I have this. Hopefully you don't need me to tell you that next step would be to subtract the 116 from both sides of the equal sign. And so for this one, we get started off with 14 gallons of water in the tank and ended up with 130. Assuming evaporation of water does not exist, that. So that's how you would approach and do number 10. They give you different numbers. They give you 3 gallons per day, well, adding a bunch of 3s. They gave it 32 times, that'd be a 32. 32 times 3, forgot what number that is. Same exact process, the correct answer is listed there. So good luck with it. That was number 10.